Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Already know what is going on. Okay. First, I'm going to throw words to Lola. Lola, the Austin girlfriend. But before I talk to Lola, okay, let me quickly address this. To some of you out there, some of you viewers, commenters, association, whatsoever, coming to my platform to tell me that, why are you talking to Lola? You are looking for trouble. You they use your hand and your leg, they find trouble. You they find trouble. You they call, not call you. Let me tell you, Lola have analyzed my video before, guys. Doma, you guys said you guys are sleeping on social media. I'm sure you guys are sleeping, not me. My last write-up I put on my page when I talk about, oh, I feel pity for Monica. Lola went to analyze it on her Instagram page. I know so I know they see that one. If una mama do, una know they see her. Now the one another person do, now una they see. When I said I was feeling pity for Monica, did I write Lola's name? She went to her Instagram and analyze it. And this is social media. This is Facebook. Any matter where it fall for Facebook, we are allowed to analyze. Una hear us so everybody go talk you. You will give your opinion. You go talk how you see the matter. Just like the way you are allowed to drop your comments and not they beat you. Bad or good. That is how you see it. This is how you feel about it. So you see, when you see me throwing shade or talking to somebody, don't come to tell me that, why are you talking to this person? Why are you talking to this person? Behave yourself, or I beg. Those of you who know me, like someone who come to my inbox and tell me, hey, I know you. You live in New Bay. You do this one. You born for 2 men. Now new thing. Ogu kill you there. Now new thing. I'm asking you. See, listen, okay? I'm coming to say my life story. Give me time. I opened this platform for a reason. I go come give you my life. You don't even need to go hear it from. I will give it to you. Ask me, I will tell you. You don't need to come to my inbox and tell me. You don't need to come to my inbox and tell me, you know me. Go to your mama, go give her my information. Let her come and use it on me. Did I tell you? When I come to this social media, I already know where I was coming to. I know the people when I want to come meet here. I know the people when I come meet here. So did I tell you that I'm scared if my issue come out on media? My issue can never be dirty as that of Lola. Lola, aka Udwe Shupa. My issue can never be dirty as us. A married woman who still cheats. A married woman who abused her home. My own can never be as dirty as his. You hear me? So if you know me and you want to talk about me, please take it to her. Give her the information. You don't even need to come to me and tell me, I know you well. Take it to social media. Or better still, you can also open your platform and talk about me. It's okay. People are interested to know me. They are really interested. Because so far, nobody has really talked about me. So people are waiting and they are interested. They have said it 1 million times on my platform that I can't wait to hear about you. Give it to them, fry-lished, okay? Give it to them. Give it to them, guys. Give it to them. Come up. Go to social media. Go to other live video presenters. Tell them. Or you can open your platform. Lola is the reason why this social media will never add peace. We never add peace. Lola is the reason why social media will never add peace. I do not know what is wrong with this woman called Lola, Austin girlfriend. Every time on people's celebration, this is the time we attack them. Why are you so mean? Why are you so wicked? Why, Lola? Why do you have this kind of dubious character? There's this thing I'm seeing in you, but I don't know if your followers see it. There's this fire, this jealousy, this pretense that you come out and show a different face. But that's not real you, girl. Come out. That's not real you. Why Why you keep doing this thing? When people are celebrating, this is the time you will eat them. It's not nice. It's really not nice, Lolo. It's not nice of you. You must change your ways. So let's look at it this way, my people. This matter on the ground about faith. My people, I don't blame Kate on one area. You understand? When I say one area, I do not blame Kate on one side. If you all believe that Kate was the reason why that relationship did not go further, okay, I don't blame her. I really don't blame her. You know why I don't blame her? Because there is nobody, there is not even me, not even some of you out there, your own wife to be, your own wife to be a friend to an enemy to the family. It's not possible. It's not done nowhere. You are still a girlfriend. You are a fiancé to Kate's brother. You are not yet wife. You are fiancé to Kate's brother. You are not yet a wife. They go. Imagine if you become a wife. What are you going to be in that family? Sometimes, I don't know the kind of friendship you guys do on this social media. I do not know the kind of friendship you guys do on this social media. Friendship in Danegbe. Or Senai Danegbe. Lolo. Or still get friend. You are a friend to Kate. You are a friend to Faith. You know, say this family where you they insult all the time. You know, say this family where you they insult their mother. Kate's mama where you they insult is a mother to that man, your girlfriend. Now be the mother of your own girlfriend, boyfriend. That was wrong. No matter what. You can throw insult to Kate. Nobody go see you. You can tell Kate a life history. Nobody see you. But as a friend to Faith, you could have looked Faith's eyes. You could have looked Faith, say, oh, Faith, because of you, I could have dragged this family. But because you are in this family, I forgive them because of you. Why that is why you see me. I am no friend to any live video presenter. But I like you all, but I'm not friend to any. I like you all, I'm not friend to any. Because, why? A friend of mouth, neither be. They not be friend of a heart. A friend of a heart. Friend will be real your friend. When look into your heart, will be friend. There are some certain things that person will be doing. Don't worry. That one when you talk, say two different father. I will just advise you not to judge. You have to hear from me first. Whether not true, whether not lie, it happen, you hear from me first before you start carrying the matter. Don't worry, I will give it to you guys. Don't worry. You understand? You would have, yeah. All right, don't worry. I will block some of you. I don't need you all here. Okay? I'm not looking for viewers. I will block you. You are blocked. Two of you. I'm gonna continue. You understand? You could have at least looked that woman eyes. To me, now Lolo and I break that relationship. That relationship between Kate's brother and Faith. Now Lolo and I break her. Lolo have been a person on this social media. If she carry matter, she not deliver. And it's very bad. All of una for this platform, una don't quarrel with each other. Kate with Monica don't quarrel. Monica talk, she rest. Oh, where she the only Lolo. I maybe no cross where Lolo not get forgiving hearts. Lolo don't have a forgiving heart. If Lolo don't put you for mind, ever since when Lolo use that I see Kate husband, say na young man I marry Kate for us. Be my way they okay Lolo they gbe Kate. Be my way they gbe okovie o Wigbo they gbe Kate at all. Lolo, all my when we married you man. No be person say me old man marry you for us. So me I don't know which one be your own, my girl. My girl, I don't know what's your own. No be person say me you marry old man put for us. Ever since you see that woman, husband, you have never no peace. You have never no peace. You have never no peace. It's totally wrong. If you have issues with somebody, when you have issues with them, if you talk some more, you go leave her. Do not make that person, it go become your breakfast. It's just like you ate him, that you just want to kill that person. You don't want this person to exist anymore. What's your problem, girl? Are you the only person on this social media? Are you the only person on this social media? That's an apple. You rock on social media. Call they talk. We have been waiting for your own. How you take date Austin? You never come explain to us. If Lolo see another person matter, Lolo go sit down or analyze it. Hey, Lolo, Austin ya woga akulo boy you away. Austin oga me. Am I here until today? We may ye ladia today. We don't come in my way. Yeah, me no soon. Austin and my boyfriend. Austin not be my boyfriend. We have been waiting. Austin or kulo boy you away. We may don't come in my way. Austin was just, you know. Lolo, take your time. The only thing you know how to do that is good for you is that makeup. You are not good in any, you're not good. Una way they say, when you see somebody talk to Lolo, they analyze our video for Instagram. Lolo go carry video where no concern. He go carry go Instagram, go analyze her there. If you think that Lolo have never talked to me, then you are the one dreaming. You are the one sleeping. You don't know shit. Lolo analyzed my distance on Instagram. I was supposed to come out for you, Lolo. But later on, I say, I bet I leave this one where they depressed, Joe. The only good thing about you is makeup, Lolo. You don't have shape. Come on. You are the one. I'm sure if Faith had issue with Kate before, I don't know, she would have gone to Faith's wedding, Kate's wedding. After that wedding, you make sure you destroy them. You tear them apart. Even no measure where. No woman, nobody. So, Faith, you yourself, you made a very, very big mistake. You made a big mistake to be friends with Lolo. Even if you don't want to fight for Kate, okay? Even if you don't want to fight for Kate, no problem. Me, I know they like when somebody they support people, they fight. Me, I don't like her. I like it. You rather come out and speak the truth. You understand? If you like, start to fight 100 people, you'll not see, you know, they support any, just like the way I don't get anybody that he supports. You understand? I don't get any. How can you be friends with Kate? Planning to marry to a brother to Kate. At the end of the day, you are still friends with Lolo, the same Lolo, who they rubbish Kate and her family. How is that possible? My dear sister, Faith, you yourself, you made a big mistakes. All of you gang up. You, Faith, you, Lolo. All of you gang up to fight Monica. All of you, you gang up. See you alive today. To gang up and fight one person is bad. Lolo have been packing people to fight Monica. All of you, they gang up. How many people you just say Monica gang up with to fight you? All those people where they come and say, hey, I break up from Monica. I break up. She want me to fight. Now they go near Monica. Monica, I know they find a friendship. If she fuck up, I will lash Monica. Hey boy, Jay. Ah yes, a followers are gonna yes now. They'll constantly insult me that day. But the truth has to be said. Monica and one man squad. And Monica that here will represents. You know rich Monica beat. You know it. Now you define. If you see whether they beat Monica, you go, Uya ki yevani. Uya ki yevani. Then I don't talk. Uga mi mani ale Monica, but Uya make a friendship with ya so that they go fight Monica. Now the thing has fallen back to you. The plan you planned did not work. Una can't they cry. Faith, break that relationship between you and Monica and Lolo. She's not your friend. She'll not be your friend. If she's your friend, she will not be insulting, dragging the mother of Kate, dragging her left and right, dragging her. No man where get sense go see her say your own friend go dey insult him mama. Even if you not be born for belle, if that baby aunt self, who be wear danger, you go dey insult him mama, you go dey insult him mama, you go dey insult him mama. You want the man to be happy with you? You want you and the man to have it. If you like, give the man billions. He gonna yak beloved. love. He gonna zen yak be love. Why is he gonna be on the white waladia? I spent 20,000. I spent 50,000. I spend the name. Are you guys not ashamed? You spend and fuck you. Pay for for the fuck wey fuck you. You spend 50,000 for love. Not be you starter. Women don't carry money give me for this Europe. You know it. You not be new. You not be JJC for this Europe. We come be when behind the webo. On my favor where. Now make you go ask, go choose for us. And this is a lesson to every one of you watching me out there. It's wrong to date your own friend relation. I'm telling you. If you are dating this person before, you and her sister can't become friends, it's a good. But if you be saying that sister can't say, come carry my brother. No carry your brother, give your friend. Because if things go wrong, they will always call you. It go be like saying that you did under. See, make una come judge any presenter that will present this issue, that we analyze this issue, make they analyze that well. Not be say Christmas time now. Una come they tell say matter not finish. Lolo, you know what make matter finish for this social media. You understand? You don't want this matter, Lolo. You don't want me matter finish for social media. If Lolo see where they want kill Monica Yalueva, friendship is never by force. Friendship is never by force. If you and your friend are no more friends, let her go. Two of you should go your separate way. Stop recruiting different people to fight her. Stop it. Stop looking for different friends to join you and beat Monica. Because now Monica now wanna take gang this one and gang up. Now because of Monica, I make you become friends with Kate. Now because of Monica, I make you become friends with Faith. Now because of Monica, I make you become friends with Sarah Tibos. All of you come gang up. It's not nice. Don't gang up and fight somebody. If you gang up and fight somebody, especially when you fight an innocent person, the thing go fall back to you. And that make you and Kate they fight now. The thing not going to finish. So you see also, so if you ask me, say, now Kate, now they under what make your brother. What make your brother not marry Faith, I will disagree with you all. Because Kate's brother gets eye. Kate's brother they social media. Kate's brother they see what the apple. Even me, if na me be that Faith self, I will even rather join Kate and fight Lolo. What did they give for you, Lolo? When I will call they join you, they pursue Kate, they go. And they go marry for Kate's family. I know they marry from your family. I'm not marrying from your family. Why would I even join you to fight Kate? It could be like saying now you they give information of Kate's family to Lolo. Because Lolo will always come with different things. Go talk this one, talk this one, talk this one. That was wrong. How want people make una they learn? Make una they learn, make una they wise. What is all this? Now they come and say, make us calculate. Yes, what do you expect? You were married Oyibo for Europe. You marry Oyibo for Europe. You are married Oyibo. We are going I'm a shower. Oyibo not be human being. Oh, we are going not be man. You cannot be like a man. When you see a man married to a white woman, still they go out. Man na man. Even man they marry black woman self, he go still go out. You as a woman, do not try to do like a man because you are not a man. You will never be a man. I mean, we men don't finish for Europe. What do you expect? What do you expect? You that went to carry man in Africa. Are you a learner? Are you a learner? You don't know. You don't know say men waiting for Nigeria say na central they be. If you know they try Faith, his sister not go gree me follow you safe. Now because his sister says you two they try. Oye wa me zenu tinye. Oye we go raw. Oye wa me we drop in o tinye. Una no say me we dey Nigeria na central. Oh, una think say na only Europe may be central abi na lie. Now Nigerian men I do central pass these days. That girl when that boy married, that boy get blame oh. He get blame where But because of your friendship with Lolo, how you have cuddled with Lolo for so long, that is why I don't to blame the guy. That boy, the girl we married, the boy cannot tell me, say, he just meet the boy a few months ago. Few months ago that he married. That guy have been dating that girl for a very long time. They were using you. They were using you. You don't know. That man has been dating that woman the whole time. That man has been with that woman. You see, you know sometimes, if karma fall to us, we know they see her. You now, Faith, you they cheat on Oyibo, won't got a day. The man where you they spend money for Africa was also cheating on you. That is the law of karma. That is the law of karma. You were cheating on the white man that married you, that provides everything for you. I'm not calling you an adulterous woman. I will not title you that. I will not give you. But you were cheating. Cheating is cheating. Whether you marry to a black man or you marry to a white man, cheating is cheating. You were cheating on your white man. And the man where you they take the money, go they take care of for Africa was also cheating on you all along. That is the law of karma. Sorry, sister. Some people, they do this thing, they go succeed, but you not succeed. So just count yourself, join the people who will not succeed. It is what it is. We cannot come and kill the guy for you now. It is what it is. You are not a baby in Europe. You already know this thing. You know, say, a lot of people from Africa, a lot of our men from Africa, and say, throw the bee. You know, that woman, when the guy married, has always been there. They were playing you all along. Maybe if you call several way, quick quiet to my mugu they call. I will not blame Kate if your brother play you. I'm sorry. Because Kate might do the introduction. He might do the introduction of the two of you, or however how you guys meet. But Kate not there inside brother might. Kate not there inside brother might, how your brother go treat you. You know they. And Kate will not be the one to choose wife for his brother. Yes. Iya we o mother giabie giagbua. Area be mi o teda. Ugbeso teda ro wa amu e. We are figure family oge egwegwa. You dey say family no dey talk. They talk to that but no dey take. You as a woman could have been wise enough. You could have been wise enough to know that something is not right. You could have been wise enough. You know, the thing when they pay me for that matter, una know they lay for other people mistake. My number is there, my darling, is on my page. Please, quickly just go. If anybody have my number, please type it here. Please, quickly go out for a minute and type the number here, please. Una know they lay for other people mistake. How many women don't cry? Come and say, I saw this man chop my money. Now saw this man chop my money. My dear, now come and I fall on you. Oh. Just like the way banana follow me. Now come and follow you. Who will go away? Come back. I think I want to go away. Come back. Una feel una marry Oyibo. Una can fuck any dick. Una feel una marry Oyibo. Una feel do anything. Una feel disgwagwa any man. Una feel una marry Oyibo. Una feel use Oyibo money anyhow. Now make your own now. Now black man chop your money. Now go marry another woman. Now there you dey see another of our sister who be say Oyibo go kill her. Thank God say you not die put faith. Thank God say you not die put. Say na money they chop you. Now this cheating like some Oyibo go say they go kill the woman. Now you guys are coming out. It's a contract marriage. It's a contract marriage. It's a contract marriage. What the F? What do you mean is a contract marriage? Lady, you are legally married. You are married to somebody. Contract marriage, you don't live at home. Everybody know what is contract marriage. When you are married, contract married with somebody, you don't stay together with the person. When you are married, contract married with somebody, the ways are different. The man could have also known why you not go do. You could have not forgo do traditional marriage all this way. Kate, I'm sorry. You messed up. You messed up. You really, really messed up. You messed up, girl. You messed up. You messed up. So when people go talk, say, na so much. See my tell now. Oh, go kill all of una where they come and call they say na so much chop una money. The man not tie una hand. Anything you give to a man, you do it out of love, okay? I'm not going to say, oh, man chop my money, I'll come they cry. If man chop your money, relationship not work again. Go your separate ways. Clean your eyes. Don't come out and tell us how much the man chop, because the man, the day when you give the man money, where he say you give you where. The day when you give the man money, check out. Una love make it that day was different. He give you where and that day he settle you for the money. Any man wey don't they ask you for money, any man wey they ask you for money, you're supposed to know so now you guys are not going nowhere. For how long are you going to take care of that kind of a man? For how long are you going to contribute on that man's life? Women, see, it's a common sense. It's a common sense, but some of you don't have sense. Now, where they do saga, where they talk something where not they important. Something where not they important, I don't know for the stand. A man where they ask you, baby, give me money, baby, do this one, baby, do that one, baby, do that one. Just know that man is in there for your money. He don't love you. The only business he had with you is that money. I'm sure saying that your money they used to marry another girl, so he can pay that kind of thing they pay. Where sha? If they pay no, if they pay, you can't use my money go marry another woman. That case, brother, he do faith, sha. If they pay, but now you cost her for yourself. Invest it. They put money for her. They give her money. They give her money. They give her money. No. No. What do you mean juju exists? I beg you that sweet Marty, leave juju. Leave juju, my dear. Leave juju out of this. Our human being. Africa, Nigeria. Why do we always believe say juju? So make the way get sweet mart. They go sweet mart, the money come out for your hand. They go sweet mart, the money come out for your hand. What it be juju? Now everything juju they do, the juju not bath. They go sweet mart, the money come out for your hand. What do you mean juju? A man that keeps asking you for your money. That man don't love you. All he wants is your money, your cash. He used your money to marry another woman. And that woman he married has always been there. Now, if you don't want to be a wife, they will taking money from you. Now, because say you join Lolo, you messed up. So, Kate now, only like the ticket to do you pepper day. Only you attended the wedding. Just to show you, say, no level. But in another way, if you were in good times with Kate, she will not do that. Kate will not betray you. She will not go to Nigeria. She will not go attend that wedding same. Because you go see her and say, no, if my friend see this kind of thing, I fuck up. Imagine you break up about maybe like a month ago or 3 weeks ago. Somebody married. That marriage has been planned for a long time. It's because you are friends with Lala. Now, Lolo, that's still they drag all those things, they go. Lolo, he has always been here. And Lolo, boy, unwe shupave the one moon, boy, Lolo, otage, even namu gina we for how long, Lolo. Tina, uma kyoto to e mama. Uma kyoto to e mama. We see how the thing go, see how the thing. The only thing you know, fake life, makeup. You got no shame. You got nothing else. No, I know the pity for faith for the money we give the man or marry. Me, pity for her. I not pity for her. Not be she starter. Not be new thing. Not be new thing. Not be new thing. Not be she starter. Women don't do the one we pass that one. Women don't give men more than 100,000 euros. Women I build men. Women don't do the one we pass that one. I know the pity how can you're there for Europe? You know you are still legally married. You they spend your money for one man way there for Nigeria. You did not spend that money to bring him with you. Okay, men not there Europe again. Imagine, I don't understand this our women, oh. All the men where they Europe, when I believe all of them are central. Lie. Not beyond men where they for Europe is central. There are still good men in Europe. There are still nice men in Europe. There are still responsible men in Europe. There are still men who still work hard in this Europe. I always say it. Marry from this Europe so that the person don't already know the system. No think of going or not go to listen to all those people where they say go and marry in Africa. People wait there for Africa don't wise, they are not like before. They don't wise. If they marry a woman come from Africa, whether she love you, she not love you, she go claim say she love you because she want to be in Europe. If you want to marry a woman from Africa to Europe, whether she love you or not, she must love you because Europe don't evolve. If you want to marry a man from Africa, the man must love you because the money evolve. One day go be in Europe, or you gonna spend the money on him. Many of you don't regard me in Europe anymore. Una go Africa, una go they marry for Africa. The mumu way woman never disappoint, go marry from Africa. Tiki say don't marry. Hello. Hello? Oh, damn it. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Oh. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. I've been one contribute for this matter.
Okay, Mama, we are hearing you.
Hello, good morning. Yeah. You see, matter, give me time I talk to you. You see, matter with the ground, eh? It be like say, Lolo, they use juju for all these presenters. You see, Faith and Kate and Lolo matter, eh?
Yes.
Now, Lolo be the problem between these two friends. Faith no can use sense. When Faith and Kate they fight, Lolo they fight. Lolo make one reference say she get Faith audio. Say if the matter pass this one, make Kate sorry, go play Kate Faith voice. You dey hear?
Yes.
So when people they say Faith can't talk, Faith no fit come out can't talk because Lolo don already record down. You understand? Faith no fit talk because if Faith join Kate fight Lolo go release the audio because Faith don already gossip Kate to Lolo. I don't know whether they get me.
I got you.
So a lot of people they say Faith control. Faith no go fit come out control because Lolo know her secrets. That be the problem here. So when Kate they say Faith can't join, can't talk. Faith say no go fit leave Lolo. You no go fit leave person where get your secret. Now if you leave her, how will the secret work? I don't know whether you dey get my point.
Yes.
Yeah, you no go fit because Lolo use her mouth. I go send you the record where Lolo use her mouth talk say if Faith if he too pass this one, he go play Faith record. Now wetin Lolo talk with her mouth be that one. So how na they expect that kind of person make?
But for how long? For how long is she going to continue?
She no go fit join Kate. That's the problem. I just dey pity for. You know what they pay me, eh? I dey pity for people where they support Lolo.
Again, that girl a bad girl. That girl a bad girl, they tell you.
You understand? And some presenter where call themselves now they judge Kate with hatred because Lolo don't already make them hate Kate. You know, see Lolo yesterday, na snake, she don't already come out. She don't represent her for her face to say, let presenter can't judge this matter when. When Lady B and P they talk the matter, Lady B and P talk for the both side. Lolo called they insult Lady B and P.
I see when she insult her. You know the other time she was listening to her, she can't put the phone for a year.
You know not see what that lady.
I see her. I watch her.
Exactly. When BNP they talk in favor of Faith, she they happy. But when BNP constantly they talk for Kate, she can't insult that woman. And wetin dey pay me pass the wetin dey pay me pass I dey look presenter dey fear to talk to Lolo na that one be the you see you when they talk about her so they go come for you
they don't come on me already.
the juju wey she do be that one they go come for na that one dey pay me pass okay as we be now my brother wan marry woman wey no fit come out come defend me wey no fit defend my family wetin my brother wan use am do my sister touch you.
God bless you, that's what I am saying.
Because of fear because a lot of them already get secret from faith. So faith dey fear to speak out. Some people no dey see that truth. All of them just dey talk blindly. Now make faith no talk. Faith dey fear say if he talk to Lolo, say Lolo, if he enter live video, say Lolo stop this thing. Lolo go release that audio when she record am. Now that one be the problem. You understand?
Yes.
So that's why they see that one person when you want marry, they insult him. Mama say Toto dey everywhere. Lolo say Kate, Mama Toto dey everywhere. You no fit come out because you don already gossip the family, carry the family go give Lolo. Okay, 1 point. Kate dey do marriage that day. Now Lolo come out when Kate dey do marriage. Lolo dey video Kate. That same day when Kate they do marriage, they saw the couple. People don't go against that one. Okay, Kate's brother they wait for Nigeria. Now Lolo see come out for you to cut it. They saw that family. Waiting presenter they so presenter blind. Them what thing? This is two people. It Lolo they forbid happiness.
This woman should forbid happiness. When you are happy, the problem, oh.
I don't understand. See, they forbid happiness. Person they do marriage for Nigeria, you come out for YouTube, they saw the family. People they want anyway. You know what? I not too much blame them for this matter. Okay, us here, laughing now where Kama there. Everything where they are put to their own Kama.
Na Kama.
Now gather beat, now they worry Kate. So as Kate join Lolo that and gather beat the ex-friend. Now so they see they gather now they beat her. Now Kama.
Yes.
Now Kama now they do that so. Kama now they now gather beat the one they do Kate. Now I not going to pay me because now gather beat Kate don't already join they do that gather beat before. Kate mention say if you don't want carry Monica head go. Where I carry I go now Lolo now I call her say make deal with Monica do everything but people know they see that place they just dey fear to talk to Lolo. I don't understand.
Kola, thank you, my God bless you, my sister.
They fear to talk to that woman. She doesn't come out now like snake yesterday. Now so she can fall victim. That lady to the fall victim. I don't know her. May God give una spiritual and I tell know who that lady be. I pity people where they follow her with fake account where she know. The day when those ones go against her, she go bring all the picture come out. I pity them.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
May God open their hand, let them see.
Thank you.
The kind of whether they support.
Thank you.
She go do like better person inside snake. If Juju well all they do for Facebook, nobody go against her. Nobody. Anyway, all right.
Thank you. She not gonna feel leave Kate, oh. Since when Lolo see Kate husband, una know say that Kate husband, that sad guy, the guy clean, the guy look, the guy day. The guy day. Hausa people they carry him or not go there. Yeah, Hausa people. Oh, one of that Kate wa enjoy wowa. Kate ure uriye. Oh, gbe Kate wa. Kate ure uriye oh. Oh, Kate ure uriye. Oh, one na we wa enjoy wowa. Lolo no na omo dioma yuwa. Dioma no Lolo gbe wowa na kia yi pa be the honey, you know have you echo temu waka, you know like that. And the Kate is not a young boy. Now that I can't remember say Kate don't fair insult your husband no. Now that she can't remember say Kate don't fair throw word to Ramo. Now that she remember say Kate, because she thought that who be this one? As he see the one with the service Kate for his house, he say na lie. So now this one, they service kids. Now this one, they service kids. Now this one, they service kids. Hey, Katie, you come, you don't go nowhere. I deal with you. Lolo, Kate is not your problem. You can continue your cheating life. It's okay. Continue, Lola, continue. Nobody owe you. Okay? Nobody they owe you. Nobody go ask you. After all, you're not married to a Doma. Now Igbo man, now you marry. People, they say Igbo people not get abomination. So for that reason, nothing go still jam you. So continue with the thing you are doing. Nobody is looking. But please, Lolo, let Benin people rest on this media. Come out for their waste. Please, I'm sorry, oh. Don't say I'm tribalism or whatever, blah, 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 blah. No, I am not. But many of you are not seeing what I am seeing. Many of you are not seeing what I am seeing. I'm telling you. So please, you people tell this woman, make she pack for her own. Saga your people. Nobody will come after you and ask you. Leave them in the rest. All this, you'll get problem with somebody. You go, they look for you, won't gather. Now you want to open the golden fish. Now you want to put the setting up and all. Lolo, nenemi. Now you want to put the that one. Just they bring a lot of people to fight and join you to fight. It don't make no sense. I don't even know what you guys are presenting anymore. Apart from analyzing issues. You are the cause. Now you cause fire where they burn faith. Now you cause fire where they burn faith. There is nobody for this one. I go come be friend with you. Me, I go do what kids do. Make you see faith. Make you see faith. A lot longer else you be a godmother. Maybe no kine. 41 years old woman being a godmother to adults. Are you guys crazy? How many years it takes senior now? Momo people. Imagine a 30-something years old girl that go say, you are my godmother. You are my godmother Guinea. Are you 3 years ya beer? Are you 4 years ya beer? Are you 5 years ya beer? Are you 8 years ya beer? Are you 10 years ya beer? Godmother, 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 godmother no my boué. Godmother no my boué say, godmother no re. Godmother no yoga gbo we gbo wa, we gbo siga. Godmother no re. Godmother. Nene man over here we godmother, ya me masoe, only no damn vous way. I mean man over here we godmother, ya me masoe. People that is using Lolo for godmother, they are better than Lolo. Maybe you guys are looking at a makeup. And makeup now they dread una. Now Lolo makeup they make una they go gaga. You guys should go and learn it. Go and learn how to make up. If now that makeup now they dread una, they make una they feel say she's the highest, she's the otokuna do. Ah wow. I come at that they come advice say, if you know you are a big girl, if you know say now you be your talking I do. If you know say nothing they shake you, don't come out to ask for support if you have problem. She won't kill me. She won't kill me. Not will not come out for that amount. Okay? Because why? You are living fake life. Living that you are a big girl. Can't imagine where somebody will live that she's a big girl. You still come out and come to ask for help. You still come out to ask for help when you claim a big girl. A big girl should not come and ask for support. Big girls don't do that. If you know you are a big girl, if you know say your husband they try, if you know say the man will marry you for us they represent. If something happen, chest her. Name or door, but when something happen at the chest her, that is how you know big girls. No big girl after makeup. You come and see that who are CMA, who are CMA. I don't even know when ever born like yagbe, especially the winner and or ni ana could day your hair. Here, dead yawning. Oh, my ye go we they fear you. I don't know about that, but me, I am scared of nobody. I just the watch you now. Just that I select people that I talk to. I select people that I talk to. Anybody that knows I don't want to talk to this person, I don't talk to you. But Lolo get unfinished business with me. Because she too, they come my page, they pick something. They're going to analyze. I don't hate you, girl. You are my Nigeria sister. But there are some attitude you are pulling out that is not nice. You must change from it. You must change from it. Me, I know something you not come beat me. Oh. After I drop this video, yeah, Ladia, Message to Mommy JJ Talk Show. When we are now viewers, you talk at that day. Me not the shame. Me when Monica fan drive enter ass. After me don't go flash my nyash for social media. You wait there outside, Lolo. What have you achieved from it? You that have been outside getting 1,000, 2,000 viewers, what have you achieved from it apart from insult? What have you achieved from that? If na money, I'm not sure so now still they come and call the beg, join them again. It's to show you that viewer could be there, people listening to you does not mean they love you. Viewer can be there, people hearing you, listening to you, watching your rubbish that you are doing. Does not mean that they like you. It not mean say they believe all the lie when they come out for your mouth. You were there, so what did you gain? Cheating woman. Ana wolo bona akulo boy you away. Ana akulo na wolo. Ugi ze wolo na me ya ku ezipi. Ugi dio we Monica we we ma be ya no na lolo. We ma be yeti be ku ezipi we ke lawa. Awu agia wa me understand that kinu do. Ma like una ti ya move here for problem. O be nu ke onu si o here le loto. On say we are le se here. We are le se here. Una ga video here. A picture Monica on social media. No one now wait on your big a video where friend when they follow friend they put something for mind. Now bad friend is a bad and wicked friend. Adulterous women like see another they put red head not there. Because they are best of the self that flows together. They don't want to hear the truth. The truth pains them in their ear. Truth, it is pain them for ear. They don't want to hear the truth. You will never die well. If you don't want to hear the truth, you will never die well. I am telling you, you will never die well if you don't want to hear the truth. You call yourself big girl, you cannot chase more problem. Ordinary cut money will nourish how much? Will nourish how much? How much to give somebody? Ordinary cut money. You can carry chair with a lot of makeup. Imagine how you go make up, you look more beautiful than me. Then you be asking me to support you. Vade. Hey, support your girl. Help this one. Help that one. Local people. I understand people that is supporting you guys. They are depressed. They are depressed. They are depressed people that want you to keep doing problem. Lolo, the real people who like you are the people who is telling you the truth. Now the people when they tell you the truth, people like us when they tell you the truth now, you will never see it. You are overdoing. And you're overdoing. It will reel you if you don't change. I'm not asking you not to come out to insult me. Do that. I beg. All those idiotical people when they come to my page, they tell me, say they know me or they know me. Go and give my information to Lolo. Now I keep my own social media. After 2 days, I will get over it. Yes. Now I keep my own. Waka wa bama oge with social media. A social media na wana bama oge wa be bama oge wa be laja do to wa be the laja. Wa be laja be do ibi agba agbo gugbu wa. Aba shawo lo ge bo wodo. Ima ge bo wodo. Ama wetu wa do mieta. Ige yi e do na mare. Owa fiki na wa shuku ima ge ibi okuno ge. Na me kan abi one baby. When I want you, before I marry, I will not say this man is my kind. He's my kind of a man. So that when I'm in with you, I'm in with you. There is nothing like cheating. There's nothing like cheating. There's nothing like cheating. I know I'm in with you. I go follow a man from my heart. I tell you that this, and I choose my man. I go choose you. I know say I choose this one. And as I choose her, now he. When it reached to time for breakup, say I don't want to get bro. I will never cheat on you. Because one thing about cheating of a man that women don't understand. That man, not they use that eye till they look the picking way. When you cheat on a man, the man not go ever use good eye look at your children. That is why I'm scared of cheating. not because that I'm perfect, not because I am superior. That is why I'm scared of cheating, because I don't want you to look at my child and see that child like, oh, this child was born out of a cheating home. Oh, your mama where they cheat. Oh, your mama where they chuku chuku. That is why I fear cheating. I want to make me the fear cheating be that one. Not because I'm perfect. I'm sorry, guys. I'm telling you the fact. This woman will not let social media to have peace. When you see that the one they pay me personally, just they tell you now. If you don't see where people they celebrate, I'm gonna cure boy, na ekina no dona. I'm gonna cure boy, where? You understand? I'm gonna cure boy. Who want me? I celebrate. Tomorrow you can also do the same to me. Today now if you not talk, oh we are mudia, and then oh I celebrate. Why? Why are you so mean? Why? Now you know they celebrate. Who party? Who celebrate? Now they me anyway who? Ema ga celebrate wa akuya here. Ema ga celebrate wa you know here. Ema ga celebrate my video danya. Who wa would video here. Who ga tell me no mama danya. This you way you are will only me way. If your mother don't die, does not give you the right to be insulting other people that their mother live. Because your mother don't live anymore, it do not give you the right to insult other people who they still live. Do you understand? Because you don't have mother anymore, does not give you the right to insult a woman who has respect for her mother. Even in the death, if you respect your mother, you should respect another person's mother. You must understand that the person you are insulting is even if Sebulon will not do me anything. You insulting Kate, mama all the time. It is for me to come deal with you, put. Because of your mama will not see you again. Mama we Kate no every ma or more die because of monodwa ye boga gaga with social media every omagbo. Kate no every ma no game. E boy de wa jamais jano. Wa avio me vionu. Kate no every ma. But here one more day, you can give birth to a bad child, but you cannot kill that child. You can give birth to a bad child, but you cannot kill that child. That's the more reason you should leave Kate's mother out of this thing. Kate herself is not a good person because she too they make exaggerate with this sham. Like maybe people they fear around those kind of things. My dear, I get any better. Women, ebo, any better if you don't do, now only way use yourself too. You are a believer. You are a believer of that kind of a thing. It can work for you. It gets in a royal man is the truth. But for this matter on the ground, I am not blaming Kate. I am 100% beside and standing with Kate. Even if that marriage, it was me, I go spoil the wedding. Because there is no way you be getting married to my own brother, your own so-called friend, who cannot look at your face, who cannot say, oh, because of you, my friend, I will not insult a mother again. You want to marry my brother, when your friend, who am I sure that you are not the one passing information to this woman to bully my family? Am I sure? Am I sure you are not the one doing that? Because if you can be quiet, for so long, there is something you must have said that you don't want it to come out. If you can be quiet for so long, there was something that you have said to Lolo. When Lolo used, when all against you say, if I yet pay for your mouth, I will come disgrace you. Feti, I'm aware. They Lolo disgrace you where okay, Agnes, thank you. Okay, mo where ge Lolo why I call them no ta na no for I mean ero social media. I mean ero social media platform in animaya ye o I social media space what here. I mean ero egbe o. I mean ero egbe social media space na. That's the new calling now. This social media space. Nobody will not date body. Oh, it everybody body. It dey me body. It dey you where they watch me. It dey you where they comment body. Allah make you use the man talk where he sleep. Make it finish. Don't be surprised. After she don't talk her. Those things when you fear, say people can't bully you. They will not even bully you. Because she will won't talk about you. She's not perfect. She will can't talk about you. She is not perfect. Allah had to talk. Kate, Faith, I love Lolo, make it come talk. Lolo is not a good friend. No matter how you see it, one day she's coming. I'm a miadu waiva, wayamake. Always see me in waiva, why we fall out. Because this social media, now so they do friendship. Now only me want get genuine love for social media president. I love him and he no give my party. I love these both people. Clear road. I love them straight up. There's no bash. Social media president, my father, I love him so much. You get why? Yes, I love her. And when somebody, even if I don't call him, even if I know they call, they contribute, they do all those things. But when you love somebody, for you must, I know they trust all those kind of friendship. Because they can betray you at any time. They will betray you at any time. When they go use you, like some people will use some people, we call the shots now. Saying that they said their message. You understand? When you love somebody genuinely, no matter what that person will do, instead of you to bring that person to media, out your money. Why you be your money? No matter you be lele, who you be dane because of our woman already made you when you with your money. Who you be dane? Dane be live video presenters. Dane be bagbona. Konopa ni kuyato. Everybody want to be on top. Nobody want to manage 100 and something, 200 people watching. They want to be over 1,000. If they give money, how much una they see? If una they see the money, una for now they say, give me money now, give me star, give me badge, give me this. If not the viewer they read, they give the money, as we they see as una they get her. Why I got bobo? Why I got worry save? We want my she going to extra, my janu extra, along bone. Una dey over they do something. See, and you are chop and small. Chop and small better pass this thing. Yes, that another person I respect against B&B. That woman, she not take social media put for her like say this thing. She have been on this social media ever before I even come as a live video presenter. She was here before me. But you see that woman? You see that woman? She even if some of una they talk say she's a pretender. It's better to be that kind of a person. You know, concern anybody. I wear the nuta. Who see it? Only you better pass those ones where they make trouble. When they go get problem with somebody. When B&B get problem. Sorry, madam. Sorry, I'm sorry, my darling sister. Una say she recruits anybody to join her to fight. She fought a battle by herself and herself. She not join anybody. And now this say law. Now they bring this woman down for this social media. Let's go with my dog. We're going to forgive or every one go my son, go my tita. Go my bag or figure you talking to do. What talking to me as soon as we get a guava where who let the social media to go. Don't me go. Who let the social media big support. That's no how to know big girls. Big girls, when things go wrong with them, they chase it themselves. You don't see them coming on social media to beg for money. They don't live on social media money. Do you understand? Now bring that woman down. But the real people where get at no say who get level. Who don't pass person for this life don't pass. Forget about the fake life. Forget about the depression people where they follow and they work as follower. Forget the people who not get sense, who are blind. All those who be safe as they talk like they not go take oh. Now later they'll go say, ah, my eye don't open oh. My eye don't open oh. I be love you. I don't love you again oh. Shut the F. Yeah. You see this social media space where everybody they. No, they do like say you love this one, pass this one. Take from everybody, contribute. If everybody contribute for something, take from here, take from here. Just like the way they watch Nollywood movie. We they watch Toto Dike, we they watch Mercy Johnson, we they watch all of them, we they watch all of them. We they enjoy all the movie together. Make una know they make this social media they different. If somebody not belong to Monica team, una will say you not get where you belong. If somebody not belong to Lolo team, una go say the person not get where you belong. If somebody not belong to my sister Rita Ayemie team, well, animal belong. No. Listen, I'm on my own. I don't belong to nobody. And when I'm on my own, if anybody do something, we can trash it out. Just like if I did something now, you can have right to trash me as a live video presenter. No problem. Why wait here? Bomb me kwere very buy ya ohome. Even mu ye might. I not go hate on you. Maybe there was something that I did wrong that was not good. We are all not perfect. One day my story is going to be hard. Me, myself, by myself, I'm coming to also talk about me. All those are when I just the time. We they live for Germany. Things they happen. You understand? A lot of people day today now. Father go there, I go the father cheat the way be. You go say for system. You go there say 3 women, 5 women born for her. But if you look at an assistant, 5 women I bought for the man for system. But when you now look at it, maybe now one I be real, other one are system born. So shut up if you don't know the story. Shh. Shh. I know they hide me. Gay, I mean, we are never be a very bad thing. I mean, we not be a social media platform. As a matter of fact, with a name of Mevanim, if you see my bobo, Black Beauty. Fine boy, never born before. That be my bobo. Black Beauty. Fine boy, never get picking before. Shabe sha. Check me out. Una mama not get this nyash. See ya. Una mama get this nyash. Some of you that will come to my platform and say, see, God created me in a very good form. See, look at it. Yes, yeah. Big booty juicy. Did you see it? Una mama get that nyash. Wow, I go have a flirt. I have a swim and I meet up. I have a po. I have a meet up. You don't have to like social media because the social media is free for people to raise their self. You can tell people that you are this, you are that. When somebody they call, una go rock come out for support. Look at me, check me out. Are you crazy? Even with 10 children. I mean, even with 10 children, I will still hot for my mass. Yeah. God, our creator. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you crazy? Hey, can Gaga Kima? I think you know how it happened. Do you know my story? I will tell you my story. When I tell you my story, you go sit down there, you go cry for me just like the way they cry, they tell you. You two go they cry for me. Now so it go be the day when I will tell you. You go they cry for me, I go they cry to see me cry, you two will be crying. But because you are it, somebody just got to my platform, you are it at me. I am the most lovely person in this whole wide world. With a clear and a white snow heart. My heart is so clean for human. I have the most lovely and positive soul. No, I know they bleach. I know they bleach, my dear. No. I don't bleach. No, I don't bleach. No. Maybe not the light will enjoy the camera some more. I know they bleach. I know they bleach my skin. Never. I have the most pure and perfect soul. Every of my things is always positive. I don't give chance to negativity at all. Don't come to me. Never. Hey, Lala, they have your boy your way. Oh, if you boy your way, if you, I understand you. I don't follow you quarters. We are boy your. ni meje o ko ni wa akulo boy wo we eken we na mari ya ma wo we wa akulo jo. But let social media have peace. We wa akulo jo wa ri obojo we ni ya wa ri yo. Because when you see other people living happy life, you're the jealous. You won't kick a kid now because of the better, better boyfriend we get for us. Better husband, the guy day, the guy look good, When I don't say outside, but they carry her. If you outside, hey, if you never date outside before, hey, bros, I say never date to outside. All those ones that they say, hey, Kokobiri or that country, outside map for Nigeria. They low, see how they carry her. Oga Kimi we. Lolo no na sharp babe. She don't know. She know. Answer people. Oh wono na. Oh we eketimu. O ma giveere one meri buyoto. U destroy your wa gweze. U wati e bonije. E girlfriend otion we mi eri yoto. My dear sister, behave yourself. Stop those fake life. Reduce from your fake life. Reduce from your fake life. Even your friend when they say fake life, Monica fake life, Monica fake life. At least we still they see some Monica things. We they see her. Monica they show some certain things. Even if somebody fine, somebody will not be perfect. Somebody will not be perfect in this life. Nobody will word not they match my people. I just like them and lay. Nobody will word not they match. Now so I want to talk and reach. If she come and now insult me, I will still give her. Okay, you go pass this one when I tell her. I go load down past this one when I tell her. But the thing is, Lolo fake life is too much. Lolo pretense is too much. Lolo jealousy is too much. No having forgiving spirit is too much. You should learn to forgive people, Lolo. You should learn to let go. Most especially, do your own. Stop attacking people on their celebration day, Lolo. Lolo, stop attacking people when they are celebrating. Me egbe kwenu we me get na. Egbe kwenu me. Stop attacking people if they are celebrating. Stop making people, stop gathering people to fight Monica. Monica na Nigerian problem. Any Monica left Facebook on a Monica. Not by Monica. Mona let Monica rest. All of us have once talked to Monica. I myself that is studying here, I lash Monica too. But any Monica mafo. Was it gboviere ma de why see I? Was it beg ma do ye lago duku why so viero bo? Yeah we agase gboma we it you go to where he dig. Oh where he dig. Eh you money where he gbe. Monica de. He's a low boy. Any no banoro. DNA o. Okay. Now who born pikin the request for DNA test? No be no born pikin. First things. Now who born pikin the request for DNA test? No be uno born pikin. Imagine people where be low life people go still the request for DNA test. People where be say their background na people where be say they no gala, they no even bath. They get problem too much for body. Here way. Monica go and breathe DNA test. Wow, kola worry. Imi Monica beluwa. E Monica sere. But if you hear me, imi abugbe emma. Oviebu agari oviebu oda. What's Oviero boy? What is it? What's Oviero boy? Make everybody do their own. Una say una they grow. Una say una they grow. Now una page like they grow. Now una they get viewer. Now una people they watch. Hey, what they do? If person do saga, who do saga? People must watch you. Now normal thing. It's not everybody that likes saga. Like on a normal real me. I'm not a trouble person. But I know they run for trouble if I see one. On a normal me, I'm not a trouble person. If I just talk as someone, I go rest. Now so my own real person be. That's my own real person. I not be person wey be say you carry matter for 100 years. Iwa ta 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 ta. Aye wewo ogun ogbelu we win Monica agbuwa. Monica. Monica no man for marry. Ogun we get matter na Monica take enter this matter. They don't they drag Monica for inside. This matter take concern Monica now. I hear when one presenter they talk. Hey Monica, hey Monica, hey Monica, hey Monica. Ija, what take concern Monica concern this matter where they grant. Hey Monica when they fet here, I'm gonna be here. Hey Monica when not here, Katie, nigga marry fet here. Hey Monica when they fet here, nigga use that day. No, ya ona ya de baba no be family no na marry. Ona ya guya what say. I dey call my people, may I give my daughter something. I'm coming. Ija. Oh, wait, Monica. Jesse, you know. Jesse, you know. Eh? Hey, Monica. Hey, Monica. Hey, Monica. Hey, Monica. Monica no say. Monica no get anything to do with this matter. Monica no get anything to do with this matter. Monica no say me faith. Go carry money. Why it be anything will happen for this social media? If you not add Monica name, you not go rest. Why? Why it be anything for this social media? Monica must enter inside. Isha. Oh, we are the leader. Why we work leader? My little kids everywhere will carry re. Oh, when na mama ugbe o Monica say no be ugbe lolo. Abi wa bola we. Every time I see that word wey they use, they vex me. Not try am again, not call Monica. Monica is not my mother. She's a social media colleague. You understand? Who's Zagabagbon? Isha. Eh? Monica not get what he do for this one. If you not call Monica name, the matter no go settle. Oviere have guanjo. On go say no je ae o. O vie no ro egbe o. Ona do contribute ye na manati. Wa no geri ni Monica yo iwo. Wa me go ni na egbe magba na we dedi o. Oni ne no zua no ma we ye zua. Ona wo ye for ko ge ma oni yesu ni e because e matter ge load di wo bo me or e load. Ye be do gba lo yo egbe because e wa zua. O wa the most is zua. Is short. American again. Osaloba build a go. Just look me now, check me out. Mona check me out. American Osaloba ye kunjire gbe. American egbeje. American oweje. Awao. Ekun egbe. Only no what is zua no what be wrong. Monica. If Monica don't build una will they cost Monica. Even when Monica na to gbowa. If Monica don't build una. If Monica don't start for una go dey cost Monica. Una go dey cost Monica. Why? Maka why? 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 Una go dey cost the girl. If not be Monica, pejo wuwa. I'm social media teme. My tia existing. Monica DNA test. See that child alone. You know they see papa for a body. Even if say whatever no so. But you are not in a right position to ask that kind of a question. Is no your business. Una the one una bought for ground and not fit take care of her. Imagine very wajenana. Iwa biele kompa. Imeti gba oge. Me do see you go mave every day. Isha. You know they use your head. The truth. Now they drag me, they go. I beg if he said, make una come join me fight the fight. Me waro to morere waro to ama egba ogiya. It was you see omo no rewebo omo no relax omo no ye squagbon omo ne In Europe, I just dey look una for the talks of kind rubbish. You will be bullied in the school. You cannot bully somebody anywhere like that. You cannot not bully somebody anywhere like that. You will be bullying. You will be bullying. You will be bullying. Now Nigeria, they bully children. Now Nigeria, they bully children, not be Europe. You understand? Come on, man. Hey, you be bullied. Hey, if you're not going to do this thing, the pikin, fine. We know, say that one too, she still F. She once called somebody out for that kind of a thing. But since Kama don't still fall on top of her by herself, you understand? What if she once called somebody, cause meet her? Una go live her with her family. Not be the one say you call, they come at every day, they say, he must do him. Who give you that right? How dare you? Who the hell are you? Have you taken care of your own shit? Have you taken care of your own shit? Go and take care of your shit. Before all these nyama people, I they see that the thing they vex me. I don't lie on my people. You see, I just do my house. All this nyama, the nyama they call, I they see they waviage. Hell. Social media is good. Mommy, mama. No one ye baby. You no one ye baby. No one ye baby. Amagba oge. Ara bitatio manovie wa de okay. Ewebo ye London ye Germany anywhere. Ewebo. Oh man, ovie wa de okay. Ovie gbe Nike. Ovie gba Adidas. Ovie gba money. Ovie gbe whatever. Ovie gbe nokpa. Wa bitatio. Iya ni via wa sofa ni via wa je na tie close. Ni via je Abamed bowa. Abamed we do habitate man over here Nike shoe. We habitate man over here Adidas because e mo ga wane iya yi to be appointed me ni agwalo. Ehien we adeni. We habitate over here gbe Jordans. Origun ogwon se na dey call e puan. Ave ne fiete. Buwala webo. Buwala webo. Wama we get wake bie. Oh, they said don't wa dia awa. I make gbe ma be na they said do. Igwe wakere. Na village na for con. Because get way wise go know say he go first take care of himself before he come talk to another person. Ni vie jaba medi. Oga go man no vie gbe Jordasi yogwe no vie lie. Omo no like play. Nene mi vegeri. Aeroplane di moto gume o. Urere o. We when it yes we why if we esu o. Aeroplane. The nene mi gume o. I don't go sabi cigar, but I know how to cigar that year. What today? 70, 80, 90, boss, 70, 80, 90. No, we are landing aeroplane. We got no ta. Hey, salon. This life no balance, so my people. Oh, I use God beg Guna. Mona they look people. Oh, Mona they look people. Till they watch, till they respect. Some people just don't deserve any respect at all. Some people, oh God, oh my God, when I don't face, the thing get the way they do me for party. I remember I said I get it to drink when go. Oh, milk, okay. I know I drink beer. If I drink beer, and I was gonna beer at the top. Now I drink milk. May I drink milk, okay? May I continue? I won't fire some people. May I use this opportunity to all those our no titi people when they don't know say that they smell, when they don't know say their life no balance, Mudia. Oh wow, this tastes good. Sometimes you take milk, it's good for the body. Is it? Oh well. DNA test. DNA test. How many color of a call? Hatred color, lolo colors. All those one are lolo color. Wait, all those one are lolo color. You know, say, wait till some of our people don't understand. If you get problem with somebody on this social media space, the person will not like that person. Now they call they contribute. Not be your own lovers or followers. Those ones will not like how they fight her. Now those ones go still come contribute. You go they feel say now better people now they contribute for you. Now when the saga go don't finish, you know the saga that person again. Now that time we go know whether you get view or not. When you stop sagaing that person, you can't talk about your normal matter. Now that time we go know whether now your viewer they call for your show that time. Or now the person way hates the person that they call for your show. Yes, so thank you very much, my darling. Nice you are here. Please like and follow this page and turn on the notification bell. Yeah. Now that time we go tell no whether now your viewers, whether now people where want me you fight that person that they watch you. Use your head. Isha, somebody who boost your page. Somebody who boosted your page. Somebody who carry people along is supporting you. It becomes the bad person you want to kill. Those people where they look you before they curse you, say this idiot, this yeah person. Now those who are not gonna be your friend. Oh, salobane gume geno ume say oh. Salobane gume geno ume. Oh man, we message with one guy ho. Salobane lao. Oh man, not supporting me. On see even not reagir. Aproko my man. So if we still remember as Aproko the shower video, all those things. I just still like. If not, Aproko do me. Aproko really offend me on one certain time. But because of as this year say this Aproko still try. A lot of people know they know our page. Now through that Aproko that they see us. I just feel like okay. Hey, my people not look at. Best way picking the entire aeroplane. Aeroplane too sweet to enter if you never enter. Oh, you want move you sorry. Okay, wow. Then later will go fast. Oh, I'll go fast. Even you where they cost person. Even you where they cost person. You never enter aeroplane before. You never enter helicopter. I don't talk of aeroplane. Oh God. Ash. Oh, you where they cost person self. Maybe if you don't enter anything with this person, I only ICE. You never enter play before. You they cost person where don't pass you in every area. Oh, you want where? Oh yeah, you want no way view. We have a mom anyway. They will bully your child in Europe. Children don't bully children like that. And when a child bully a child in the school, there is a consequences. Except say that pikin not come home to tell you as the mother. One time, my own child is a German citizen. You understand? German citizen. My pikin come from school, say, Mama. He say one white boy tell her, say, in Africa. Say, may go back to a country. Say, they not belong here. And I say, Martha, hey. Anyway, yes, your parents are in Africa, you are black. You should be proud of that. But that guy has no right because you are a German. You are a German citizen by birth. You have it as a passport. You share equal rights with them. He has no right to tell you, I charge. May I go enter that pikin for school. My pikin tell me, say, Mama, wait first. Calm down. She went to school. The next day when she come back, she tell me, say, Mama, he said the pikin apologized to Ramo. I said, are you serious? Say yes. He said the pikin come meet and tell her, say, make it no vex. Wait till tell her, say, make they very, very sorry for using that kind of words. I said, okay, no problem. I calm down. You know why? Because she must have reported to the teacher. The teacher will be like, why will you say that kind of a thing? Children don't just bully people like that. Now, only that kind of bullying, I mean to say our children, they face for Europe. Only the discrimination of color. That is the only bully I know that our children face in Europe, which some children also they'll still correct their brain. Say this thing when I thought so is not good. But the bully of say, pikin go school. They'll call the tell her say, your mother did not do a DNA test for you. We want to know if your father, you know, those kind of things don't make sense. It's rubbish. What's the highest shame? The highest shame and disgrace so far is when you gave birth to a child. You cannot cater for your child. The highest shame so far is when you abandon your own children and looking good in Europe. That makes you to be an irresponsible mother. Some people will not just know their shame. Do you want us now to come and tell you your own shame again? Do you want us now to come and tell you where you are missing it in life? Oh, no zua. No meriti e zua wa tota. Uwa present ogo manoge mane va gbon. Ogo manoge mane va gbon. Uwa present e. Uwa present e. We know who way. Oh, who we agbo we ni wa he we wa kulu you we o. Ah. E mana gbon na ma balance at all. Egbon wa video ni e ladian. Obi ati e bonoma. Egbon wa video ni obi ajoja noma. Listen, guys. Some of our people are so disgusting. Oh, I'm telling you, people. They don't get shame. Oh, they don't get shame. They don't get shame for this life. Now, make both the one you can take care of. No go do pass yourself. Some people go see me. They'll say, "Ah, Mommy J, why your children, your senior? I not be the kind of woman where they sabi they born 1 year. I don't know now. Maybe for my sweet bobo, my black beauty bobo, my bobo will never drop when I want drop for. I don't know. Maybe if I want born for an hour, if you can, maybe I your premier God, you give me twins, shy, you know. Now your twins, I your one God, you give me to go. Your twins bless me. I go, you happy. The thing you gonna see me for body like say I never felt born before. I too like that kiss Leo, but I be want to try where they talk like that guy to go like that. It's too soft. The guy is too soft. You understand? Maybe now call you know say age not there our side again. As age not there our side again, this time now I can rush. I feel rush quickly born 3 join the one I don't get. But once I'll rush born 3 join the one when I don't get. You understand? But the ones that you feel born, there is a gap. You see, and my daughter now, she did the same act like me. Now, small I take up as her. She go help me now train the ones when I won't born. Now, she and her sister will just they grow. Go help me train the one when I won't born for my sweet boy. Who be that sweet boy now? He can't fine. He can't look good. He can't dark. He can't sabi talk. Normally, you be husband material. Hey, normally, you be husband material. Hey, normally, you be full ocean. Who be that sweet boy now? He can't fine. He can't dark. He can't sabi talk. Normally, you be husband material. See when somebody they laugh. I may not be who now they think and they talk. Oh, may not be disappointment for now. Not be who that they think and they talk at all. Don't be him. When you carry back come over there. You understand? So, my people. And no like you no no ni be do boy you go ni ka mudia ni get rubbish no do ni ka get rubbish ni no do ne si obo be na gele on a real fat ya gele via o that no like na on for real. You understand? When you hear somebody like that, you hear stickly woman, you know the you understand? You know good, you know they cause trouble. So that one my people oh, imagine you are calling for a DNA test. Sister, my dear, if I be you, I go carry mirror, commode the dirty within my eyes before I want to commode another person who. Because we got to get way. We got to never tell you where more we like camera every day. Every day do I know who We no yari mi no ruwe gbere wo vie. My sister, viri agegbe. Viri agegbe, viri oh. Our people don't understand. Viri agegbe, my sister. Who don't know agbona na waje? I mean, I say na tamuwa we. Amie nero egbe. Your eye story go soon come out again. Kiss my ass. Yeah. Kiss my ass. Kiss my ass. Kiss my big booty juicy. See, listen, girl. Also, na kamuwa we agbona na washena. I be nero egbe. I mean, never me agbona na vejena iko me be dopa. Also, na kamuwa we know what total we were present over. You must do this one. If you check her, you yourself no balance. Imagine somebody they present you now the time now say the ones where you break all this life where you not fit take care of, you must take care of her. You say somebody they bully your children. But you are bullying other person's children. The reason why I don't bully people's children because I don't want my child to be bullied. I don't want nobody to bully my child. That is why I don't bully people's children. You understand? Now me cannot they go there. Now me cannot they go there. They say, do to others as you want them to do unto you. That is the law of nature. That is the law. If somebody want to use that one, if somebody want to do that one, now when I go they say, person want to preach, oh, he want to preach, oh. I not fit carry fight. My brother, be my sister, don't trust. Not be, see, may I tell you. Who they banana, why make banana? If they just bring her, kisho. I just give this to me. If I don't want to see Maya, no, if I want to see Maya, I'll still talk. When you're not, no. All this way they say, I go beat you, I go do this one. Not be to talk with Matt. Bata, you disgrace me. Bata, you can't talk with all day my body. Bata, you can't abuse my papa, abuse my mama, abuse everybody. Is he going to take their life? Hey, CJ, how you doing, mommy? Look at that one. You go, we need a DNA test. You, Seth, we need a DNA test for your children. Because if truly, say, now you, Seth, that born all those children. I'm not, a mother that don't take about her own child. I don't know, Shao. I cannot look good for my children to look bad. I cannot look good for my children to look bad. That one is not possible, guys. It's not possible. It's no. So you guys should take Monica out of your mouth. Monica might not be the person that I love. But at the same time, I cannot hate that lady. I feel you guys you have caused her too much damage. Okay, she herself don't also realize her own mistake in the past. Can everybody now move on? Can we all now move on? She don't know her mistake now. She don't know say she do mistake for past. And she don't realize it. She don't apologize. Let everybody move on. So, now that one be that one, my people. Hey, make I leave when I'm gonna still go wash those people who they say they don't enter life. You see that matter, me I not blame Kate, oh, Kate. I not blame you, oh, my dear sister. I not blame you, okay? I not blame you because as me be, I cannot have a friend. You go be friend to my enemy where they embarrass my family. Then I will still keep that friend may come marry my brother. So my dear sister, you did what you have to do. It's normal. And you going again way Kate. My dear sister Nasara because a love we are be. You go where? I am Mario Kuwe na ije o. Ono na mato ije. Ah, this one hot. They don't use your money to marry another woman. Jesus. Jah Jehovah. Jah Jehovah Emmanuel. Jah Jehovah. Anyways, this matter never reach. One hour they go different place or native doctor. My simple advice to you guys. May everybody all let the sleeping dog lie. I want to enjoy my Christmas. Anybody will go come here for saga or go back bomani o. Say me bo. I dey tell you, my mind I can't tell you. I don't want saga o. I want to do my Christmas in peace. Monica me like say, make you not go. Make you go bring DNA test free. I beg you, shut up your mouth there. Shut up your mouth there. You understand? So you see us so I love you guys. Thank you. Please share this live broadcast. May go reach their hand. Share and make you enter Kate and Kate where to be where? Katie. This your juju where they show for social media. This your juju. Kate where they see your bowo. I'm gonna be a girl, more go where I'm gonna go. I will go with you, Doleji. Where we see where we are trust, Eva. We are trust. We have a small trust. So, Bob, juju na. You know the happy work below my equa. I mean, man, the work berane. This juju of it in a money like they waste for pockets. You know they help anybody. We have seen many people who don't spend money, waste money for juju. You know get anybody with the help. So reduce hand inside, Kate. Reduce hand because people don't know you now like juju. No, anybody want to be close to you now. They will say juju. Emma, not good. Okay, may you still change. May you still change, oh. May you change. Too much of juju not good, oh. If they know somebody for one thing, not good. You understand? It's not good at all. So I will still advise you. May you lock up for Lolo matter. If Lolo do video concerning you, you not reply Lolo. If she sha, then she go rest. So leave her. Mona let peace dey social media. You guys should stop being a disgrace to this media. Being a disgrace. The other go, you come out. Dear Monica. Like this matter with the grand, I not concern Monica, but when they add Monica inside. It's not nice. It's not nice. Monica, what give you the via way? What we give you, what we soviet aye? What we see aye? Matter. Why ya we say, oh, Saloba de Baya, de Bawa, Wanive Gaye. Now, why you guy video na because woman guy so be ya. If you not share that, they not go saga me. If you want them to saga me, share the video. Make they come saga me. I'm waiting for them. They not get anything they won't do me. My shade is not dirty as them. They are more dirty. So if you want them to saga me, share the live video. Make they come do it. You understand? I don't get anybody when I cheat on. I don't get any husband when I cheat on. There is no husband where they call social media account or say, you cheat on me. You can't do vaga another man. I can't cash out. I can't say I don't want to do it again. A lie. Error. Okay? So when I don't want, I be that babe. I know what I want. When I want to choose, I go choose. And when I choose, you'll say I choose. I'm just that woman who was not lucky in a relationship. I was not lucky in a relationship, guys. I must tell you the fact. I tell you guys, very soon, I'll be myself, introduce myself and myself. I'm not lucky, okay, I love you. Now make and I don't learn now. I know they use I love you, they follow man again. I know this, I love you, where woman they made mistake. Now make and they tell now just now, say not be everything juju they do. So men, they can be very deceiving. They are mad sweet pass honey. They are mad sweet pass sugar. They go use I love you, knock you. They go use I knock you. So you see, my dear people, sometimes this I love you is a problem. You understand? So a woman have to open wide. But right now, I believe my eyes have opened. Right now, Barcelona alone. Right now, I believe that I know what I want now. Right now, I believe that if I'm hooking up with any man, like some of you say, now man should they find. See, I can't find face. See, I get fine face. I can't get breasts, I can't get nyash, I can't still sabi cook. Normally, I be wife material. Normally, I be full auction. So what are you talking about? Hey, full auction, babe. All right, my people, okay? So any woman of my age should be thinking of settling down with somebody again. You understand? Hey, I still want to have more children, not because of more children when I come born. Trust me, I will not remarry again. For just enjoy myself with just get one boyfriend. But because I still want to have more children. You still want to be definitely you understand? So because I still want to have more children in life, we move on. Nothing to you. I'll be my sister. Thank you, my lover. Mwah. You understand? So, but because I still want to have more children, you marry my brother. No, I don't marry your brother. Oh. I don't want anybody to carry me cause social media. Cause they lash me. Oh. I don't want anybody where brother go shop my money. No. You know say we were they Germany, so they say single mother will get money. Say that we they use money to they take care of man. I don't want to spend my single mother money for any man. So I know they marry your brother. Oh please, oh I beg oh. I cannot marry your brother. Sorry. Thank you very much. Yeah, may I go spend money for your brother tomorrow. Your brother will call you to go marry another woman like the one they do faith. So hey, he will faith igbe. He agele wash you a faith. Hey faith, sorry, don't vex my sister. I'm not mocking you. I'm sorry, please. In case you come across this video, I'm sorry, my darling. I'm really sorry. Okay, it's just that the whole thing is just funny to me. I don't know how a wise girl like you. I see you as a wise girl, Sha, because when kids they do party that your mouth just the wrong, your mouth strong for talk, you know. I see you as a wise girl. I don't know say you feel for this kind of mess, this kind of a victim, you know. It's sad that some of you now when I feel say now the chester, now not even get sense. Now you go spend 15K for ma. Isha. Iya uwe. Every kiani really say my sister. Wa zekere. Wa me wo madano. O seke weregbe. At least very my image na be na be ti we €100 ma. What are we was no ba. Come madam I me 1,000 na mo no be. If you feature about 100, 200, 300, maximum €500, just give thanks to God though. Because we will not get millions, so we will give you. Single mother, our money they pass €500. If you feature our €500, give thanks to God. Because we don't get €1,000, 2,000, 3, 4, 5, 6, God give you. Eve, okay, for days, all this social media live video presented today on our body. It's today on our body. What is some people go do? We go the paro. Now on a cost they do. Why I still not be in Nigeria? When men they Europe full auction men like the one where they track me for my head now. He come fine. He come black. He come sabi talk. Normally in the husband material. Normally now husband material. Egbeni ware we bomana. Where would it be ya guano in Nigeria? Where would it be? You would go ya guano if you like. Block me. I don't know. You don't come back again because I block you without the other account. I recognize you. I make you say make I block you. No worry, I don't block you. Do your thing. It's Asha. All women are Asha. Even mama will boy you na Asha. No be our Asha queen. No be married so. Ija. We Asha went to some to Adimea. Asha won't na dey engage you. Asha won't get bill. Asha won't go subo. Oh, what be Asha? Congratulations. Oh, my camera that gbona wa take. Gbona wa Asha wo yen kin. Gele on have a million dowo. You are stupid. Call me Asha is a title. I dey fuck. I dey do. I dey shook. I'm supposed to be Asha na normal. I'm supposed to bet. I never used my body work as an Asha before. That one I office way. I be Asha with the date. But I never be a shower where don't work. I never use my body, stay for street, walk a shower work. I never do one. It might be game and even where everybody may reach your governor like we bonai. But I be a shower for my boyfriend, boy, whatever. I be a shower that no matter, no worry, liver. It good, talker. It's okay. Any girl with the fuck na shower. Because that's the way that shower they do, now you they do. I will have you. No, we want to know where the labor is still in me. You might look me like I'm big, I'm very flexible. I'm very flexible. They mad. Oh wow, shower. Oh wow, shower. Oh wow, shower. Your mama not be a shower. Your mother is not a shower. Your mother is an shower as well. Your mother had children. She do vaga. Iya do vaga is where. Iya na do vaga is where. Iya na do vaga is where. Iya na do vaga is where. Wa gbeo. Oh washa. Una adulterous woman where marry where they fuck where they shuku. You never go tell her say na shower. Me at least I'm not married. I am not married. I'm not the for husband ass. Okay? You know the like the one way they for husband ass they carry to go they give another person because your husband prick don't die. Wow, bell. Now you the head of other Africa can insult me for my page. You the craze. Put your toto for one place, my friend. Yes, I have children, no sir. No sir, oh sir. I have children, yes. The man. See you. Stay your leg. Did this one. Wow. So my people, who that guy? Now person I come and say in a shower, I do this one. She engaged. She was engaged. They don't carry belle give her. They engage her. She can't get belle. Now she be full offshore. At sex tape come out for this live video. Do you guys forget it? And new tape come out. When she they bounced on the Ikea, oh hey, again you Samuel. Samuel. Yet, are you going to tell me say oh, we are not married or no matter? Wow, bomb wow. Oh well, you be a shower. A shower not be new thing again. You see, now from what that they enter to. Now from what that they enter to. See your heads. You are a bomb buckler. The son or daughter of Ashawo. You will be your pa, your man Ashawo, the couple say Ashawo, they mad. So my people, you see us so Faith and Kate. So now so it be oh. The man go use sister Faith. Oh no, yeah, you go marry Okuove. But brother, on a real fact, the way Nigeria boys they do Central these days is not good though. The way Nigeria boys they do Central these days is not good though. When if you go with your on the real fact is not nice. If you are not ready to marry a woman, why will you take money from her? Why? To me, it's so me. Iya we no matie bo or tiuki o nana ka be we marry okwo ni wona be amie you go my brother woman ni so ne matter. You not do well at all. You understand? If you know you are not ready to marry a woman, do not take a dime from her. Because if she naked and swear, hey. Some people here they feel say this juju. Your own prayer, your own word that comes out from your heart, is they very active more than the one you put for personal hand. The one where you use your own mouth talk is more active, is more active than the one you go and put on somebody's hand. So my people, I beg these guys from Nigeria, I use God beg una. This is you guys. This is what you guys are doing is not right, is not fair in the eyes of God. To be honest, is not fair in the eyes of God. To be honest, is wicked, is mean. If you know you are not ready to marry to a woman, do not take a dime from her. Don't take money from her. It's not fair. It's not done nowhere. It's a wicked act. It's wicked. It's mean. Don't do it. I'm not saying Nigeria they all. Everybody had the chew. People want to collect money. But man, if you collect the girl money, at least marry her. Marry her, marry her, make she knows okay now. A woman that gives you money, she loves you. If she don't love you, she will not give you. Let's be realistic on that. If she don't love you, she will not give you her money. It's because she loves you. That is why she contributed to you. Our people, please. Now they cause this problem, katakata. We may Mona still a pick for Europe. Mona they pick man for Europe. Oh, Nigeria boyfriend not be boyfriend. Oh, Nigeria boyfriend not be boyfriend. Oh, they want to come to abroad. Oh, if they come to abroad, you are your own. You are your own. You are your own. So my people, thank you very much. I appreciate you all for your comments, for your warm make. Thank you. And I will be going now, okay? I will be going now. Why are we saying? Normal normal feel. You understand? Adamu fioe awolo we wa awolo we wa awolo fio boy we re la lona nobody no where mommy problem we do see social media na pa me ma like on you pa me ma say they like lolekia alolo oje if you get that was no wa dalad if you get that was no wa dalad if you get that was no wa dalad Mrs. Analyzer. Today that you they cause blessing. The blessing where you cause, now you give blessing popularity for this social media. Now you they share blessing video that time. When blessing was supporting you, when did they analyze Monica video? Now you they say mighty blessing. Now today that blessing don't be monkey from where you see your life. If somebody is not supporting you, that person is not your friend. If somebody is not supporting you, you will not like the person. You will see evil. But when they support you, they are your friend. You a good person. You were the one that give that blessing of a girl. You were the one that lifted out this media. You. Today, are you the yaba? Today, na not be better analyzer again. Now, monkey come be her name. You don't know where she come from. You don't know how her head be. That's so it can be. Lolo, fear God. Fear God. God those one way. All those one else the nyanyanyas. When they feel say somebody not fit talk to them. They don't know say we just the look na. We don't say na gaga na you dey. You don't get anything where you want talk. You cannot do more than a dead rat. It's just talk. You know, there are some people who just they talk. If you come in, they'll be like you can't use your body, collect insult from where they did. So don't just talk to them because they don't know their self. If only they know. If only they know their self. If only they know, say they are shameless. If only they know, say they zuzu. They for no they come, they sit down, leave their matter. Leave their matter. Because they analyze another person. If only they know, say they zuzu. Their matter they zuzu. You the zuzu, they find another person zuzu. I beg get away, Joe. Make una they go. My people, thank you, my lovely people. If you haven't liked this page, like, follow, and turn on the notification bell. Share this live broadcast. Make the consaga their mama. I'm waiting. Thank you very much. And you where they press Reddit. You are living in the life of Reddit. You live a life of negative. There is nothing good coming your way. The only thing where you go to see for your life now danger, 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 danger. Danger shall follow you all the days of your life. So continue pressing the red dead. May that red dead, may danger follow you all the days of your life. Except say I call you. If now you be the lolo when I call, hey, no problem. Or the Faith, or Kate, maybe you not be none of these three. Danger will follow you. My friend, get away.